This special beauty recipe is for damaged skin. It will help repair the skin and rejuvenate dead cells and make your skin smooth. I have neem leaf here with me. These are neem leaves. I'm going to wash it through running water. Pound it. It is either you pound it or you put it in the blender. Then add just a little water. And then blend. After blending it, you boil it for about 5 minutes. Now that it's cold, I'm going to sieve it. Remember that if you are using a mortar to pound, you add a little water into it before boiling. Here we have the neem leaf juice. I've put it in the spray bottle. Here we have it. You spray your face with it. You spray it on your face in the morning and stay with it for about 1 hour and you wash. You can also spray in the night. You can spray and stay with it for 1 hour and you wash. It helps rejuvenate dead cells from your face, leaving your face smooth and shiny. It removes the dark circles underneath your eyes. The other best way to rejuvenate dead cells on your face is to make this neem juice into ice cubes. The neem leaf juice is all set in the ice tray. I'm going to keep it in the freezer. Our neem ice cubes. Here we have our neem ice cubes. And for how to use the neem ice cubes, you just pick one and rub on your face, round your face, every corner. Because of the antifungal properties in neem, it will help tighten all the pores and correct all skin disorders, all the corners. It removes the dark circles around your eyes, making the pores of your skin tight, which helps in also making your face smooth and removes all the wrinkles and make you look young. Neem ice cubes. It will correct all the skin defects on your face. Thank you for watching Zara Beauty Recipe. Please don't forget to watch our other interesting videos and also give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.